Happy Saturday po sa inyo lahat. This is Roberto from the USA. Kape muna tayo. It is 6 o'clock in the morning in Las Vegas. And today, tunghayan po natin ang another win ni Nesty Petecchio. She is now a medal contender. There is a new breed of boxers in the Philippines, and one of them is Nesty Petecchio. Nesty Petecchio, 32-year-old Filipino, was born in Davao del Sur. She have won gold in 2019 World Championship, and she have won silver in 2020 Summer Olympics in Japan. Tignan po natin ang laban ni Nesty against Paris, France. Tignan po natin ang laban ni Nesty. And bago po natin tapusin ang video na to all my new subscribers, maraming salamat po. Unfortunately, I needed more. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And August 10 is the last fight ni Nesty. The worst thing that can happen, she gets bronze. But Nesty, we wanted gold. Pero hindi natin hawak ang kapalaran. So, kung ano man ang maging resulta ng laban, we are happy for you. Salamat.